Today we are gathered here to celebrate International Youth Day and World Elephant Day.
Now I would like to call Lina Karen Vishwa from class 7 to tell us stories.
Good morning everyone. My name is Nisha Mohan Sahu from 7th standard. The rats and the elephant. Once a large colony of rats lived happily in burrows near a beautiful lake. This lake was their lifeline. It gave them water and its safe, soft beds were perfect for their homes. One summer, a herd of elephants began visiting the lake every day to drink water. As they marched in and out, their huge feet crushed the rats, burrows, killing many. The rat king, distressed, gathered his courage and went to the elephant king. He said politely, "O mighty one, we live by this lake. Your visits are destroying our homes and harming our families. If you could drink from another side of the lake, we would be forever grateful, and perhaps one day we may be able to return the favor." The elephant king was amused, but also kind-hearted. He agreed to drink from the far side of the lake, leaving the rats in peace. Months later, hunters laid traps in the forest and captured the elephants with strong nets. The elephant king remembered the rat king's words and sent a distress call. The rats rushed to help and chewing through the ropes, freeing the elephants. From that day, the elephants and rats lived in friendship, each respecting the other. Moral, kindness is never wasted. Even the smallest friend can make a big difference. Thank you. I am Shailesh Samesh Standard. Today I am going to tell a story, The Elephant and Friends. A lonely elephant was wandering in the forest looking for friends. He came across a monkey and asked him, "Will you be my friend, monkey?" The monkey replied, "You are too big and cannot speak or breathe as I do, so I cannot be your friend." Next, the elephant met a frog and asked him to be his friend. The frog replied, "You are too big and heavy and cannot jump like me. I am sorry, but we cannot be friends." The elephant walked ahead and asked the frog, but he again got the same reply, that he was too big. The next day, all the animals in the forest were running here and there. The elephant stopped a bear and asked him what was happening. The bear told him that tiger had been attacking all the animals. The elephant wanted to help the distressed animal and went to the tiger and said, "Please sir, leave my friends alone. Do not kill them." The tiger didn't listen to him and told the elephant to mind his own business. The elephant kicked the tiger's hand and scared him away. The moral of this story is, friends come in all shapes and sizes. Thank you. Thank you, Namaste.
Now I would like to call Mamita from class 7 to tell elephant factory.
World Elephant Day is celebrated every year worldwide on 12 August. This day is dedicated to the preservation and protection of the world's elephants. The elephant is the biggest living land mammal on the earth. Elephants are mostly found in different regions of Asia and Africa. The average height of an elephant is 50 to 70 years. Elephants are vital for maintaining the health of our planet's ecosystem. We need to work together to protect this magnificent animal. India is home to a significant population of wild elephants, estimated to be between 25,000 and 29,000. This represents over 60% of the world's wild Asiatic elephants. The latest census indicates that Karnataka has over 6,000 elephants, making it the state with the largest elephant population in the country. A baby elephant can weigh as much as 200 pounds or 90 kg at birth. Elephants are among the most intelligent animals on earth. An elephant's country can hold up to 2.5 gallons of water. Elephants' swimming can be up to 2.5 to 7 meters deep. Their trunks are mostly used for infants can weigh from 2,247 kg to 6,350 kg, 600 to 14,000 pounds. They are known for their strong family bonds and impressive memory. Elephants are the worldly mammals with world needs. Elephants are a significant part of Mysore Dasara festivals, particularly in the land procession. The lead elephant that is the golden howdah, Ambari, a golden throne-like structure with the idol offered to the deity goddess Chamundeshwari. This tradition has been ongoing for many years, with elephants playing a crucial role in the festival. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Sarvi to tell how to conserve elephant in English.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sarvi. I am studying in 7th standard. Why is it important to conserve elephants? Elephants are important to save, not just so future generations can grow up with them, but because they are a keystone species. That means they have an important role to play in their lives of other animals within their habitats. Why are elephants at risk? One of the biggest threats to elephants is the ivory trade. Although it's illegal in many countries, poachers continue to go after elephants for it. The ivory trade started when the Europeans arrived to colonize Africa. Ivory was used to make a variety of different objects from piano keys to conchs. Elephant populations are estimated to have been upward of 26 million back then. Today, there are only around 4 lakh. What efforts are being made to help elephants? Organizations all over the world, from the Wildlife Conservation Society to the World Wildlife Fund to save the elephants, are doing their part to protect elephants and their habitats. Some of their goals focus on reducing the ivory trade, cracking down on poaching, training rangers to protect environments, keeping track of population numbers and their trends, investing in local communities. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Aishu from class 7 to tell about how to protect elephant in Kannada.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಶುಭೋದಯಗಳು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಐಶು. ನಾನು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆನೆ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಆನೆಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ವಾಸಸ್ಥಾನದ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದೆ. ಕಾನೂನು ಬಾಹಿರ ಬೇಟೆ ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟುವುದು, ಮಾನವ ಆನೆ ಸಂಘರ್ಷ ತಗ್ಗಿಸುವುದು, ಆನೆ ಕಾರಿಡಾರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ರಕ್ಷಿಸುವುದು, ಆನೆಗಳ ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸುವುದು, ಆನೆಗಳ ಬೇಟೆ ತಡೆಯುವುದು, ಕಾನೂನು ಬಾಹಿರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸುವುದು, ಕಾನೂನುಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಪಡಿಸುವುದು, ದಂಡ ವ್ಯಾಪಾರಗಳನ್ನು ತಡೆಯುವುದು, ಅರಣ್ಯ ನಾಶವನ್ನು ತಡೆಯುವುದು, ಪರಿಸರ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುವುದು, ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಧನ ಸಹಾಯ ನೀಡುವುದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Now I would like to call upon Ansika from class 7 to tell about conservation of elephant in Hindi.
आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। हाथियों का संरक्षण आवश्यक है क्योंकि वे पर्यावरण और संस्कृति के दोनों के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। 6 प्रमुख कारण हाथी के संरक्षण के लिए इस प्रकार है। हाथी पर्यावरण के लिए महत्वपूर्ण। हाथी जंगल के पारिस्थितिकी तंत्र महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाते हैं, बीजों को फैलाते हैं और पौधों के विकास के मदद करते हैं। खतरे में प्रजाति। हाथी विशेष रूप से एशियन हाथी खतरे में नहीं है और उनका एक लंबा इतिहास है। हाथी दांत का व्यापार। हाथी दांत के लिए अवैध शिकार एक प्रमुख खतरा है, जिससे हाथियों के संख्या कम हो रही है। मानव हाथी संघर्ष। मानव बस्तियों का विशेषता हाथियों के साथ संघर्ष का कारण बनता है, जिससे दोनों का नुकसान होता है। संरक्षण प्रयास। सरकारें और वन्य जीव संगठन हाथियों को बचाने के लिए विभिन्न उपाय कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि हाथी अभयारण्य बनाना और अवैध शिकार को रोकना।
जागरूकता। हाथियों के संरक्षण के बारे में जागरूकता बढ़ाना महत्वपूर्ण है। धन्यवाद। Myself Monica from class 7. So I'm going to tell about the International Youth Day. Why is International Youth Day celebrated? International Youth Day celebrated annually on August 12th. Is a day to recognize and celebrate the potential of young people as partners in global society. The day serves as a reminder of the importance of youth participation in achieving the sustainable development goals and building a better future. Youth should focus on highlighting youth potential, addressing youth issues, promoting youth engagement, connecting to the world program Action for Youth, focusing on digital involvement. The purpose of the day is to draw attention to a given set of culture and legal issues surrounding youth. Youth plays a significant role in making global society. It also aims to promote ways to engage them in becoming more actively involved in making positive contribution to their community. Youth plays an important role in the development of our society. He has the capability to bring social reforms and improvement in the society. The youth generation has to be very responsible and say no to drugs. Youth empowerment can eradicate poverty from the country. Thank you.
I would like to call Yogita to tell about Youth Day in Kannada. ನಾನು 7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯುವಜನರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆಚರಣೆ ಯುವಜನರ ಸಬಲೀಕರಣ, ಅವರ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸಲು ಈ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಮಹತ್ವ: ಯುವಜನರು ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವಿಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದು ಈ ದಿನ ನೆನಪಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಆಚರಣೆಗಳು: ಸರ್ಕಾರಗಳು, ಸರ್ಕಾರೇತರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಯುವ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು ವಿವಿಧ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ಉದ್ದೇಶ: ಯುವಕರ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಗತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಎದುರಿಸುವ ಸವಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸುವುದು ಇದರ ಉದ್ದೇಶವಾಗಿದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.